I'm ready to build. Hey guys, Steven Kanji. I'm finally back. Sorry for not posting a video in so long. So, today's topic video is gonna be about me building my own PC. As you can see, the parts that I bought are all here. I'm gonna name you everything. I got the CPU. CPU is Intel Core i5. It's unlocked and it's the 9th generation. 1600K. And you can see me with the GAMDIAS fans and cooler radiator. And I've got my, what is this called again? A motherboard, right? A motherboard. As you can see the name, I'm Z390A or 900 or 390A. As you can see, I got my graphics card. It's a EVGA 1070, GTX 1070. I got the RAM T4 16 gigs and power supply. And my case just right here, as you can see halfway through, but like, yeah, you'll see it along the way anyway, so let's get to the build and go. Yes, I did it! Woo! And this is the final product of my computer. I added some Funko Pop and some light strips, as you can see. Thanks for watching.